How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AM. Welcome to my unboxing video of not the Galaxy Z Fold 7. That was a video that I did previously before this. This unboxing video is, where the hell is the product gone, dude? I'm not even ready for this unboxing video. Is for this case here. It is the carbon shield case from Samsung. This is the official Samsung case, which costs, I can't even say an arm and a leg, but it is about, I think it's about $69.99. And I was one of the lucky ones that got this with the phone for free as a pre-order bonus. I mean, after buying a phone that's for £2,000, dude, throwing in a case should be basically normal. It should be normal, but no, we're not normal anymore. So I'm gonna be opening this. This is a case that I'm most likely not gonna put on my phone. Only reason being, it doesn't protect anything. It only protects the back side of the phone, I guess. So that's the case right there. I mean, that's the box of the case, and that is the whatever. Bloody hell, Samsung things have all sort of barcodes and stuff, man, which I meant to hide. But anyway, oh dude, wow, dude, that looks gorgeous. That looks gorgeous, dude. Not gonna lie. And then you got all this instructions for. What on earth? I hope it doesn't stick on the phone because I don't want it permanently stuck. I guess it also has screen protectors. But anyways, first things first, let me have a look at this. Beautiful. It's got the texture feeling. It's basically... I wonder if this is real carbon fiber. It can't be, can it? I'm not even sure, dude. I think it is, you know. Dude, write down in the comments below if this is actual carbon fiber. No wonder it costs £80. I think it is because it feels like I've got air in my hands. It doesn't feel like I'm holding anything. And it feels so smooth, dude. And let's see what else you get in the case. Open up. You get a cloth, I think. That is very strange. Let's see. Open. You get this. Ah, right, okay, it's a cloth and it is the bubble. So I believe the other envelope has screen protectors inside for the front screen, I think it is. Let me check. Yep, these are screen protectors, nice and blue. Not going to be putting them on. Actually, I am going to put them on, but not in the video though, because that is a thing that needs to be done with core precision, guys. Right, let's put all this away. There's nothing else here. Let's put that there. Let's put that there. And let's get rid of this. What on earth is that? Ah, okay. That is something that I'm going to follow the instructions. And I believe it's to use. To look at that. It's got some stickers there and stickers there. So it's something to do with the... It's got a button. What? What on earth? I'm not sure. Well, you know what? It serves me right for not reading the instructions. So, like I said, this is an unboxing video. It's not a tutorial to put on screen protectors. The AMR is going to do that in his own time. What you guys are here for is this bad boy here and this bad boy applying. Dude, please do write down in the comments below if this is real carbon fiber. I'm not sure if it is, you know. I really don't know. So I'm guessing it just goes on like this. And there you have it. There you have it. It looks gorgeous, dude. It really does. But I'm not a fan of it because it's not protecting the hinge. It's not protecting any of the other sides. It's not even protecting the buttons, right? It feels amazing though. It feels absolutely incredible, right? I can't get enough of that feeling. It's really nice. It's kind of got a lip to the camera, so when you put the camera down like that, it's not going to make the lens touch the table. And everything else is perfect, but as you can see, it's half a cover, dude. It is half a cover. By all means, if this was an affordable phone, this case would have been lit. And yeah, that's for the unboxing video of the case, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Many more unboxing videos of not unboxing videos. Many more videos of the Fold 7 are coming in the near future of all sorts of things. I've just got this phone right now. I still haven't turned it on. So I haven't turned it on because I'm making these videos for you guys. As soon as these videos are over, the editing is over, get uploaded on YouTube, I'm going to turn the phone on. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to flood the comment section down below of whatever questions you have. I will answer them all. Peace out, man.